How to add money on PayPal from debit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily add money to your PayPal account from debit card. Without any further delay, let us just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and log into your account on PayPal. And as you can see here on the top, you can find your PayPal balance. Just go ahead and tap on it, and it's going to take you to the page for your PayPal balance. Then right below your balance, you have an option to add money from bank or card. So just tap on it. Then you can enter the amount you want to add to your PayPal and tap on next. Then you have different options. So all you have to do is choose the option link an eligible debit card. So tap on that option here. Start typing in your debit card number. Then you can add your expiration date and then your CVV code. Now finally, you can just tap on link card to easily link your debit card and add payments from your debit card. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.